organization name of law enforcement, National Police Agency, or NPA. This is the central coordinating body for police activities in Japan. Its primary is to set general standards and policies and to survive the prefectural police. The PNP can also command the prefectural force in case of national emergencies or large-scale disaster. Pagdating naman dito sa Pilipinas, kapag tinatawag nating NPA, sa Japan naman, tinatawag nilang National Police Agency. Kapag naman dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong NPA na kinakilala natin na mga kalaban ng Pilipinas. So, Police Agency ay pangunahing ahensya na namumuno at nag-uugnay sa lahat ng gawain ng pulisya sa Japan. Ito ang nakatakda na ng mga patakaran at pamantayan at namumuno sa mga prefectural police. Maaari rin itong mag-utos lahat ng puwersa ng pulisya kapag may pambansang emerhensya o malawakang sakuna. This is an administrative board that provides administrative oversight of the NPA or National Police Agency. It acts as a buffer to keep the police from being under direct central government control. These are the 47 individual police departments that handle law enforcement with their respective prefectures. They are responsible for daily policing operations such as responding to call and patrolling areas. The National Police Agency is the central coordinating law enforcement agency for Japan police system, but it primarily supervises and sets policies for the 47 prefectural police department rather than having its own operational units, with the exception of the Imperial Guard, established in 1954. The NPA is under the National Public Safety Commission and is responsible for national police standards, policies, communication, and training. So, dako na naman tayo sa motto and logo. The motto of the Japanese, likely referring to the National Police Agency, is Shigi or Mamoro, which translates to the protect justice in English. This reflects their commitment to upholding law and order. This emblem represents the National Police Agency of Japan. Here's a breakdown of the design elements. The red circle on a white background at the top is national flag of Japan, the Hinamuro. The golden badge features symbols like laurel leaves and cherry blossom, which are traditional Japanese motifs representing honor and peace and service. The kanji text translate to National Agency, Police Agency. So, yung tinatawag na red circle dito nanggagaling ito. Japanese flag raising sun represent Japan as a nation, symbolizing unity, identity, and authority under the Japanese government. Yan ang sinisimbolo ng red na ito na flag ng Japan. Tapos punta naman tayo sa cherry blossom. Ito, kung makikita natin, ito yung dalawa to, cherry blossom. A symbol of purity, honor, and renewal in police symbolism, cherry blossom stand for the dedication and sacrifice of officer in serving the people. Dito naman sa seed na ito, sinisimbolo nito is signifies protection and defense. It shows the police a guardian of the community, protecting citizen from harm. Ito naman, yung blue na ito sa background niya, it symbolizes stands for trust, peace, and integrity. Sa gold naman ito sa gilid na ito, yung gold, represent honor, excellence, and authority. In rank in Japan, the highest to lowest of Japan, Superintendent General, the highest rank in a local police department such as the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department. Senior Commissioner, the second highest after the Superintendent General. Magkakasunod yang Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, Superintendent, Inspector, Sergeant, Senior Police Officer, Police Officer. Sa pagdating naman dito naman sa Police Officer, ito yung pinaka babang position and rank na police position in rank in Japan. So Superintendent General, tinatawag nila sa Japan na Keisatsu Chukan. Tapos dito sa Senior Commissioner, tinatawag nilang Kichi-kan. Dito naman sa Commissioner, tawag niyang Kichi-chu. Sa Assistant naman, Kichi. Superintendent, is Assistant Commissioner, tinatawag nilang KCC. Sa Superintendent naman, Kichi. Sa Inspector, Chief Inspector, Kibu. Ito yung namumuno sa mga team o unit. Sa Sergeant naman, Chunsa Butso. Pinuno ng mga patrol o nakatuka sa mga kuban, police in box. Sa police officer, the last position in rank in Japan, tinatawag nilang Constable Chunsa. Ito yung pinakababang ranggo ng police sa Japan. Sa police organization is structure. The national level, National Police Agency or NPA, the role of NPA oversees all policing under the Ministry of Justice, sets policies, coordinates resources, and handles national issues like security and major crimes. Leadership, headed by a Commissioner General appointed by the Prime Minister. Importance, ensures consistency across prefectures, maintain national databases for crime data sharing. Prefectural level, Prefectural Police Headquarters. Structure 47 headquarters, 1 per prefecture, including Tokyo as a special case. Responsibilities, day-to-day operation, including traffic, riots, and forensics. Largest is Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department, TMPD, with 40,000 officers. So next, organization structure, local level station, box and substation. Police station, city district, hubs led by chief, handle patrols, investigation, and emergencies. Dial in 110. Pag dito sa Philippines, call 119. Analysis purchase over 6,000 small neighborhood outposts, 2 to 6 officers each core of community policing, enabling quick response and trust building. Substation, smaller rural units under station. Importance, promote preventive policing, contributes to Japan's safety, low violent crime, specialized units and other aspects. Units include Imperial Guard, Maritime Police, Cybercrime, and Anti-Yakuza Squad. Recruitment training, national exam and academic training, 10% women in force. The two international ties collaborates with Interpol and global crimes. Strength and criticism, efficient and accessible but criticized for surveillance potential, no private security dominance like in some countries. Ang police organization instruction. Tapos sa police uniform, Japanese police uniforms are standardized nationwide by the National Police Agency to ensure uniformity, visibility, and authority. They draw from Western influence, British style design, adapt post WWAA, and emphasize practically for Japan climate and policing style. Officer in Cuban neighborhood boxes often wear more casual attire for community engagement, while patrol and ceremonial duties use formal uniform. Evidence from NPA guidelines and official photos show a focus on dark colors for professionalism and safety. Ito yung tinatawag natin. Ito sa blue na ito na uniform. Tapos itong itim na ito, yung itim na uniform na ito, ginagamit nila sa dito naman sa blue na ito, ginagamit nila sa pagpapatrolya nila itong blue na to. Tapos dito sa itim, ginagamit nila sa special ceremonial or special operation. Ito yung police uniforms nila, hindi natin na yung insert. Color in fabric, navy blue or dark blue, wool or polyester blend for durability and weather resistant. Summer decision are lighter fabric, winter and clothes, overcoats. Jacket trouser, single breasted jacket with brass buttons, epaulets and a high collar trouser, have a straight leg with black stripe down and side for visibility. Shirt and tie, white long sleeve shirt, short sleeve and summer, with a black tie or cravat. Headgear, peaked cap, visor cap with a black band and PE insignia, sometimes a flat cap for informal duties. Footwear, black leather, boots or shoes, polish or inspection. This uniform is worn by most officers on patrol with slight variation by prefecture for local insignia. In-explain ko kanina itong dalawang to. Transportation naman. Japanese police transportation is standards by the National Police Agency or NPA to ensure reliability, visibility, and rapid response across Japan diverse terrain from urban centers like Tokyo to rural island. Vehicles are typically white with blue stripe, red and blue, flashing light and sirens. The system emphasizes efficiency with a fleet or about 70,000 vehicles. 2023 NPE data, focusing on patrol, emergency response, and community policing. Officers often use public transport for cost effectiveness and integration. Land vehicles, most common for daily patrols and emergencies, adapt for Japan narrow roads and traffic congestion. Patrol cars, Toyota, Crown or similar sedans, Nissan Skyline in calm areas. Unmarked vision for undercover work equipped with radios, GPS, and dash cam used for routine check and chases. Motorcycle, Honda or Yamaha models for traffic control and quick urban navigation. Officers wear helmet and reflective gear. Vans and truck, riot vans for mobile squad with reinforced window and tear gas dispenser. Armored vehicles for high-risk situations like protest. Bicycle, pedal bikes for Koban officer and neighborhood, promoting eco-friendly and silent patrols in crowded areas. Police transportation, air and water transportation for specialized operation in Japan, archipelago and coastal regions. Helicopters, Bell or similar models operated by prefectural force used for surveillance, search and rescue and traffic monitoring over highways or disaster. Ginagamit ang helicopter kapag para walang traffic para lipad-lipad na lang, okay na. Sa boat and ship o ginagamit nila sa dagat. Maritime police use patrol boats for coastal security, smuggling, prevention and rescues in seas like the Sito Inland Sea. Larger vessels for offshore duties. Other modes and notable aspect. Public transport integration. Officer ride trains in uniform for security, especially during rush hour or events, reducing vehicle needs. Electric and eco-friendly option. Increasing use of hybrid or electric vehicles. Toyota Prius base patrols to alight in Japan environment goals. Specialized fit includes forensic vans, bomb disposal units, and canine transport vehicles. Tokyo Metropolitan Police has a larger fleet for the capital density, maintenance, and procurement. Vehicles are procured centrally by National Police Agency with regular inspection. Total fleet cost billion annually, emphasizing durability over flash signs. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina dito sa police transportation. Sa patrol cars, Toyota Crown similar, ito yon, itong car na ito. Tapos ito naman sa buwan na transportation nila, ginagamit nila sa pag-rescue sa kapag may na-aksidente or may emergencies. Ito naman ang ginagamit nila kapag sila ay nagpapatrolya sa daan. Tapos ito dito sa motorcycle na ito naman ang ginagamit nila kapag masyadong traffic, ginagamit nila para sa emergency rescue. Basta ganon. Ito ang ginagamit nila sa sasakyan nila sa Japan.
Japan's police force is predominantly unarmed, reflecting the country's strict gun control laws. Firearm and sword possession control law of 1958 and low crime rates. Routine officers, example in Koban or patrols, do not carry firearms, relying on batons, pepper spray, and taser for self-defense. Firearms are issued only to specialized units or in high-risk scenarios with rigorous training and oversight by the National Police Agency. This approach minimizes accidental shooting and aligns with cultural norms, emphasizing de-escalation. Evidence from NPA reports and international studies, example, crime data, shows Japan firearms-related incidents are rare, contributing to public safety. Firearms general policy and restriction. Unarmed standard. Most officers, about 95%, operate without firearms, focusing on community policing and preventive measures. Firearms are stored in stations and issued only when needed. Authorization requires NPA approval. Officers must pass annual marksmanship test. Use is limited to self-defense or imminent threats with post-incident reviews. Cultural context. Japan's post-World War II pacifism in low gun violence. Example, fewer than 10 firearms homicide annually support this policy, unlike armed forces in the US or Europe. Types of firearm used. In Japanese police, firearms are imported or domestically produced, standardized for reliability and safety. Common models include handguns, revolvers, new Nambu M16 38 Special, standard sidearm for many officers since the 1960s, double action with 6 rounds. Semi-automatics, SIG or Swear P230, 32 ACP or Glock 26 9mm, used by special units for concealability and capacity up to 10-15 rounds. Shotguns, pump action models like the Remington 870 or Mossberg 500, 12 gauge for riot control or breaching, loaded with non-lethal rounds. Example, beanbags or slugs. Rifles and submachine guns for elite units. Example is special assault teams or SAT. Assault rifles, Heckler and Koch MP5, 9mm submachine gun for close quarters combat. sniper rifles, accuracy international or similar for precision in hostage situations. Other taser example X-26 model instant guns are preferred over lethal force, rubber bullet or water cannons for crowds. Okay, dito naman tayo sa salary. Japanese police salaries are standardized nationally by the National Police Agency under the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communication, ensuring uniformity across prefectures. They are competitive for a public sector role, accounting for demanding duties like 24/7 shift and high stress. Salaries vary by rank, experience, and location. Example, higher in urban areas like Tokyo due to cost of living adjustments. As of 2023 and 2024 data from NPA and government reports, average annual salaries range from yen 3 to 5 million for entry-level officers to yen 8 to 10 million for senior ranks, plus benefits. Officer typically start at age 20 to 22 after academy training.
Okay, dito naman tayo sa kind of criminal justice system. Japanese criminal justice system follows a civil law or inquisitorial model influenced by European system. Example, German and French from the Meiji era, late 19th century. It emphasized efficiency, rehabilitation, and societal harmony. With high conviction rates, 99.9% for prosecuted cases per Ministry of Justice data, and low recidivism, governed by the Constitution 1947, Penal Code 1907, and Code of Criminal Procedure 1948. It prioritized confession-based investigations and restorative justice. Crime rates are among the world's lowest. Example, 0.3 homicides per 100,000 people annually, and data reflecting cultural values like group conformity and shame. So, ang ginagamit nila ay inquisitorial or civil law. Sa Pilipinas naman ay ang ginagamit natin dito ay ang adversarial. Key components of and process. Police investigation led by the National Police Agency or NPA, involving up to 23 days of pre-trial detention focused on obtaining confessions through interviews. Psychological pressure is common to physical torture and prohibited. Prosecution. Public Prosecutor's Office decides charges with broad discretion. 40% of cases are dropped for insufficient evidence. Trials are often avoided if confessions are secured. Courts and trials. Three-tier structure: summary courts for minor offenses, district courts for serious crimes, and high courts, Supreme Court for appeals. Judge or career officials inquisite witnesses. Trials are swift, 1 to 2 days. Non-injury and oral evidence-based appeals are limited. Correction and rehabilitation. Prisons emphasize reintegration via work, education, and counseling. Sentences are fixed term, early parole for good behavior. Recidivism 50% aided by post-release support. Okay, punta na naman tayo sa penalty and punishment. Japan penal system is rooted in civil law traditions influenced by German and French models and administered by the Ministry of Justice. It emphasizes rehabilitation, proportionality, and low recidivism rates around 40%, one of the lowest globally. Courts determine penalties based on the penal code, with punishments ranging from fines to life imprisonment or, in rare cases, the death penalty. Trials are presided over by judges, with prosecutors playing a key role. Appeals are possible, but conviction are high over 99%.